Hello dear students. Today I will show you how to do multiplication of matrices. Okay, so first of all, whenever you have to multiply any two matrices, you have to check one condition. Okay, so first we will see what is that condition of matrix multiplication. So see here condition for matrix multiplication. So the condition is that two matrices are said to be comfortable for multiplication if the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Okay, now what it means? So we can verify this condition very easily from the order of that two matrices. So see, for example, if A has the order m by n, okay, A is of order m by n and the matrix B is of order n by p. Here the values of m and n can be any can be any natural number, okay, and also for n cross p it can be also any natural number. But what we have to see, you have to just focus on this n, okay, and this n. Okay, it means that you have to check whether this number, that means when we see this m by n, so this second number of this order and the first number of this second order, okay, whether they are equal, whether they are same or not. If both these two numbers are same, they are equal, then only the multiplication of that two matrix is possible. So see, again I am giving this giving one more example for this. So suppose A has ordered 2 by 3, okay, and the matrix B has ordered 3 by 4. So here you can see this is 3 and this is also 3. So they are equal, hence the multiplication of these two matrix is possible. Okay, similarly, if you see this next example, here A has ordered 2 by 3, okay, and B has ordered 2 by 4. So here the multiplication is not possible because if you see this number and this number, okay, so they are not equal, hence here multiplication is not possible. Okay, so when you see that two numbers, be careful because what you have to check, this second number must be equal to the first number of this order. Okay, here you can see this is also 2, this is also 2, but we have not we have not to check these two numbers. Okay, we have to check only these two numbers, means second from the first order and first from the second order. Okay, so if they are equal, then only the multiplication is possible. Now we will see it, we will see some examples so that it is very clear to you how to multiply them. So here I have written one example. Two matrices are given. A is 3 4 2 1 and B 2 0 4 5. Okay, what we have to find out here, AB and BA. So very first what we are going to do here, we will see, write the order of these two matrices, and when we see this condition, we don't write this condition in that solution. Okay, this is just for the checking whether that multiplication is possible or not. So here if I write the order of A is 2 by 2, right, and order of B is also 2 by 2. So you can easily verify this number 2 is equal to this number 2. So they are equal, hence the multiplication of these two matrices is possible. Okay, and what is the order of that new matrix? Here when we find that matrix AB, so very first you have to write the order of that AB, and order of that AB is nothing but 2 by 2. So from here you can get the order of this matrix. Okay, so order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, so first just we calculate AB, then later on we will see about BA. So see, I will write on the new page. So here see, this is AB. So now what we have to do in very first step, see here you know that the order of this matrix AB is 2 by 2. Okay, so once you know the order of this matrix AB is 2 by 2, you have to write the position of that elements. Okay, so here what I am going to do, I am going to write one matrix here, and in that matrix I am just writing the position of the element. I am not writing the answer or the elements, I am just writing the position of the element. So as we know, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. It means it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So the first element here, okay, it has the order row 1 and column 1, right? So I will write it as R1 C1. Then here the second element has the order, has the position. This is R1, it is R1 not R2. This is R1 and C2. Okay, first row and column 2. Then this is second row, column first, and this is second row, column also second. Okay, so very first understand this matrix. Here what I have written, I have just written the position of the particular elements. So here the element has the position first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, and second row second column. Okay, so now from this matrix, now we have to write the elements, we have to find the elements. Okay, so see how to find it. Now for that again we required that matrix A and B. So what I am going to do now, I am writing the values of A and B here. So the value of matrix A is 3, 4 in the first row, 2, 1 in the second row, right? And the value of B is 2, 0, 4, 5. Okay. Yes, now we have to find the multiplication. Okay, so see, now it is very carefully listen, it is very important. What is the position of the first element which we have written here? This is R1 C1. So now what we have to do, this is your R1, you have to consider your R1 from the first matrix, okay, and C1 from the second matrix. Okay, now just focus on this highlighted row and highlighted column, forget all the remaining things from that two matrices. Okay, now you can see here there are 2 elements in the row and 2 elements in the column. So now you have to multiply the corresponding elements and then you have to add them. So it means that the corresponding element means this is 3 and this is 2. It means the first number here is 3, first number here is 2. So I am going to multiply them. Okay, plus this is 4, second element in this row, and second element in this column is 4. So I am going to write 4 into 4. Okay, then this is about the first element only. Okay, now we will move further. So when you have to write this second element at this place, again see the position, this is R1 C2. It means that now we have to change this column. Okay, so this is R1, okay, 3, 4. So as here it is R1, I am just highlighting this R1. Then this is C2, so I am going to highlight this C2. Okay, C2 is 0, 5. So again there are 2 elements in row, 2 elements in column. So multiply the corresponding elements and then add them. So 3 into 0, okay, plus 4 into 5. Okay, so this is the second element of this row. Okay, now there is no further element because only 2 elements in this row. So I am going to just finish this matrix or just closing this bracket. Okay, now see the next element. This is R2 C1 now. So now what we have to highlight here, R2 and C1. Okay, so R2 means this second row and C1 means this first column. Okay, so again highlight, you have to just focus on highlighted part. So this is 2, this is 2, 2 into 2. Okay, just multiply the corresponding elements. That means first element here, multiply them, plus second element here is 1, second element here is 4, so multiply them, right? So now again we will write the next element, that is R2C2. So for that we will require second row from the first matrix and second column from the second matrix. So this is R2, this is C2. Okay, again 2 elements here, 2 elements here, so multiply corresponding elements. So 2 into 0 plus 1 into 5. Okay, so in the next step what we will get here, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 into 4 is 16. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, 1 minute. Then 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 5 is 5. Right? So which is equal to 16 plus 6 is 22. This is 20. This is 8 and this is 5. Right? So this is the answer of AB. Okay. Now you can find BA on the same line. Okay, just you try it, otherwise I will make one more video for it and I will show it in that video. Okay, so I'm just telling one thing here, the elements are same, that is R1C1, this is R1C2, R2C1 and R2C2. Okay, position of that elements will be same but the elements will be different. Okay, this multiplication will be different for this BA. So what you have to do here, you have to just put up the value of B first. Matrix B is 2045, so write that B first and then you have to put the value of A, that is 3, 4, 2 and 1. Okay, and then you can try this multiplication. Okay.